Alright, I installed this Fogatti water heater up in my school bus that I live in here up in Canada. And, well, it does well. Like, I'm impressed. It stays consistent, and man, it's beautiful. It's reliable. It always runs. It's like one of the best showers I've ever had. And it's like an endless system, right? I installed it like where my other one was, my other Tankless, and made a video about taking it out and stuff, but saved everything, like the bypass, what you need for like, you know, if there's a problem with it, you can have water flowing still, and you can winterize, and drain all this stuff out of there, and then like you can also do your flush through these other two taps while it's in bypass, so that's why it's important to plumb it like that and understand it. And then just your regular like 3/8 gas line runs up in there, you know, and it's you need to have a system regulator. There's no regulator with this. It's just like an RV furnace. You gotta have your own reg for your own, you know, for all the appliances in the house, right? Then there's just a couple wires, you know, going up. One goes to your DC panel and your fuse, and you can read the manual to figure out what fuse goes in there. And then, you know, another wire over to your keypad. And that's it. It's simple as that. Like once it's hooked up, then it should run. And they send you a fuse, and be sure to save that. And it's actually code to have all your manual and paperwork right. It's going to help you later, or it's going to help like the technician that has to look at the damn thing, figure out what's wrong with it or who to call, right? But yeah, save that fuse, keep a spare, right? Man, I can't say enough good words about this Fogatti hot water heater. It's got this beautiful like display pad up here. You can have like Celsius or Fahrenheit, or just figure it out, right? Fogatti. So the install looks really good, right? You can flush this, you can winterize it, like pump glycol through it or whatever. But let's talk about the real problem, right? The real problem is on the other side of this bus wall, right? It's that thin metal door that is, you know, too thin to protect the inside from old man winter in like Arctic conditions like Canada and places like that. And that's going to be a problem with like every water heater out there, or like every tankless water heater with the door built like that, right? The water, you know, it's too close to like the -40 or like the negative temperatures, and it's gonna freeze, right? These things are not, you know, they're not planning on you being in here in the winter or even being in Arctic conditions, right? But we live on a bus like full-time, like we're doing this full-time, so it's a problem for me, right? So I had to solve it. Yeah, like relief. It's a bit close, so follow my instructions. You know, make sure this guy can exhaust, like get the gas out, and make sure that we can get the air in there for like burning and stuff, and you know, like everything will be like a-okay. The unit will work in the winter in like Arctic conditions, and you can have like hot showers. Life will be a peach, right? It'll be a peach. You can do it, and you can do it. Hey, I forgot it, yeah. Look, it's just so good, yeah. Oh, the insulation, I got it back in there. Oh, and it's made in America. It's so good, it's so good. You could buy one too, have it in your RV. Hey, a Fogatti. You make it a water hot, I like it. I like it a lot. I like it a lot, a Fogatti. Yep. Everything's normal. It's all back in there. Don't you worry, mama. Hot water. Fogatti. We got the hot water. So this is the water heater, and what I was worried about was it would get just this, with this thin layer of metal, that it would get really cold back there, and I was right. But the water heater actually had a feature in there where it ran, like it started itself up at night, like no water went through it, but it actually heated itself. So saving its own life, right? Like a survivor mode, almost like I think it's built into like hot tubs as well. So that was pretty neat. But I'm gonna beef this up, but I gotta deal with the inside stuff here first. Oh yeah! You sick of living in a metal box that's hotter than a sitting sun in the summer and colder than the tax man in winter? Then, brother, you need reflective bubble foil. Reflective bubble foil will reflect all the heat right back at you, brother. And it will also reflect back at you all of your bad life choices, brother. It's like being a human potato, brother. Reflective bubble foil is for those who believe in hope, duct tape, and the illusion of safety and insulation, brother. It actually works great. It's all over the place. It's right back there. And you know what, brother? If it's good enough for NASA, then it's probably just fine for your bus or for your car or for your project, brother. Go out and get yourself some bubble foil. So it got real cold last night. I know I took other videos, but I'm just trying to beef up the R's of this guy so that doesn't happen. It went into its freeze protection, right? So I'm gonna put these layers of foam. We got exhaust and we got air coming in. I'm gonna leave them open on the sides and see how that goes. It's like cutaway, so the tape would stick on here, and I really don't think this is gonna melt. We'll see. I will fill you in. Here we are at stage 1, getting ready to prepare for like nuclear winter for the Fogatti water heater. You see that guy tucked in there? And you know, I added this first layer of Aurmour, which is the styrofoam, and you know, just a way for that to breathe, and a little extra protection with like the bubble foil, the precious bubble foil that we use like so much out here, that is so helpful in every way. But yeah, the unit can breathe, like it can exhaust, no problem, and it can take in air, which is all it needs to do. Just access, not good right now, won't happen. But yeah, we gotta finish the rest, put in the breathers, make it all go correctly, but the weather is not gonna cooperate, man. It's just gonna get worse. Let's make a Fogatti great again, huh? Let's make us some hot water together. Let's make a great music. Fogatti! Fogatti! All right. Secret message. Part of the show. Play it backwards. And it will tell you what's happening. Here, use it.
Fogatti. Honey, water heater. Your water heater cold. It's not running out of hot water. I said tankless, not thankless. Hey, Fogatti.
All right. Let's talk about Fogatti RV tankless water heaters and how they reign supreme over all other RV water heaters. Now listen up. This is how you make them work in Arctic environments. Now, what you want to do? You want to crack open the outside compartment door, just crack it open a little bit. Get you a portable space heater, plug it in and place it under the RV, and just let it run. Let it run all night. I'm telling you, hot water is happiness. If you've ever had a cold shower, you know how miserable it is. Fogatti water heater. Fogatti water heater. I'm telling you, hot water makes you feel like you're defeating nature. You're living in an RV and it's -20 outside, and you're taking a hot shower. Tell me you don't feel like you're defeating nature. Fogatti water heater. Listen to me. Hot showers fix headaches. They solve all your imaginary relationship problems. I mean, maybe you don't even have relationship problems. Maybe you just need a hot shower. Fogatti water heater. Fogatti water heater.
Okay, all done with the Fogatti tankless water heater Aurmour, like stage 3 nuke. You can see the unit back there, its new location and everything. I got through the cold, but there's more coming, right? But this is what I built. Here's my air intake on the right, with the channel for where the air gets in. And on the left, those channels go to like the front cover that you saw. And like all this now is like sealed up. It's like there's pink insulation in there, like I guess what you call like a styrofoam, and then there's fluffy, and like 2 layers of silver. Right? It's got a canopy and everything, and the exhaust is like wide open, covered from the wind. There it is, armored up, ready for, well, it was good to minus 25 already, and we'll see how much further it goes. Like it should be okay in like minus 40, minus 50, like, and then add the wind in, it should be just fine. That's what I'm hoping for. But I might just leave it just like that, no paint, because I think it's smarter to do it that way, maybe, because I can always add, you know, if I get a leak, like you just saw me picking at it, right? So maybe I didn't get my hands warm enough when I taped this part, and now it's not sticky, so I'm gonna have to touch it up. But if there's paint on there, you know, maybe it wouldn't stick as well, so I'm not gonna paint it now. That'd be wrong. It would look cool, but it'd be wrong. I think it's just perfect the way it is.